I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. First, get into your Highlander and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your multi-information display. You need to make sure the odometer reading is visible. If it's not, you'll need to cycle through the display options until you see it. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. Now, locate the Trip Reset button, usually found near the odometer. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the different display modes. You'll see options like Trip A, Trip B, and the total odometer reading. Keep pressing until Trip A is clearly displayed on your screen. This specific trip meter needs to be active for the next part of the reset procedure to work correctly. With Trip A showing, turn your ignition completely OFF. Now, press and hold the Trip Reset button firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Keep holding that button. You'll see the maintenance light begin to flash, indicating the reset process is underway. Continue holding until the light goes out. Once the maintenance light stops flashing and disappears from your display, you can release the Trip Reset button. Congratulations! Your Toyota Highlander's maintenance light has now been successfully reset. You're all set until your next service interval. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.